All right, good afternoon. Jail, can you hear me? If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Do we still have that echo when the volume is on for me, Jail? Can you unmute it for a second? Let me see if I can hear you all. All right. Thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you very much. You will.
All right, so it is still the
All right.
echo.
So it is
I had to
still the
put me back
echo.
on
I
mute.
put you back on mute.
All right. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Judge LaDon Blackett. Today is your first appearance hearing at the State Court of DeKalb County. The purpose of first appearance is for you to find out the bond in your case. You all can be seated. Thank you. Excuse me. Is to determine the bond in your case, for me to give you the charges as it relates to your case, and for most of you to receive, or for some of you, receive a next court date for when you need to appear to address these charges. Today is not your trial date. There will not be any witnesses or testimony. The basis of your bond is based on a number of factors. The primary factor is your likelihood to return back to court to address these charges. All of you are looking at traffic offenses, so there's no reason for you not to reappear in court to address these charges. At that time, you'll get a chance to speak with another judge. You'll have an opportunity to speak with the public defender or the prosecutor in the case, and then you'll get some recommendations as it relates to this case. With that being said, if I could have Mr. Virgil Lewis, please stand up. All right, Mr. Lewis. So, because there is an echo when I do first appearance, when I finish speaking, to acknowledge that you've heard what I said, I need you to give me a thumbs up. Can you give me a thumbs up, letting me know that you understand that? Thank you very much. All right, Mr. Lewis, I have before me that you were charged with one count of DUI, one count of improper turn, and one count of failure to signal a lane change. We do not have a court date for you yet. What that means is you'll receive a court date via mail. That's likely going to go to the address that is on your driver's license or the address that you provided to the jail. You want to make sure that that is the correct address so that you can get notice of that court date. I have taken a look at your record, Mr. Lewis, and I do see that you do have previous failure to appear, as well as additional recent traffic offenses, which goes to your likelihood to reoffend while waiting on this case to be heard. Based on that, I'm going to give you $1,000 bond per count. That's a total of $3,000. I'm going to make that a cash bond, Mr. Lewis. So you're going to need to contact somebody or contact a bail bonding company, get cash to make sure that you're able to get out. Do you have any questions for me, sir? All right. If you don't have any questions, you may be seated. Thank you. The next person on my calendar is Mr. Ralph Fox. Mr. Fox, if you could please stand up. All right. I see that y'all are attached, Mr. Fox, and it looks like you have something on your hand. If you can understand me, Mr. Fox, can you wave whichever hand works for you? All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox, I see here that you are charged with one count of DUI. I have taken a look at your record. I do see that you, although you do not have a failure to appear, you do have a number of previous recent traffic offenses, which indicates a likelihood to reoffend while out on bond. Based on that, I am going to give you a bond today. That bond is going to be $1,000 for the DUI. That will be a cash bond, so you'll need to pay the full $1,000 to get out of jail so that you can address your next court date. I don't have a court date for you Mr. Fox. So based on that, you'll get a notice via mail for your next court date of when and where to appear to address these charges. Do you understand all that I've said to you so far, Mr. Fox? Do you have any questions for me, sir? No questions. If you have questions, they'll unmute you so you can ask. All right, so you may be seated if you have no questions. The next person on my calendar is Trajan Boyd. Good afternoon, Mr. Boyd. Mr. Boyd, it appears that you've been charged with one count of DUI, one count of impeding the flow of traffic. I have reviewed your previous driving history. I do see that you do have a driving history. However, you do not have any previous failure to appears. You have less of a driving history. So I am going to allow you to have a straight bond. I'm going to give you a $1,000 straight bond per count. So that's a total of $2,000. You may do that through a bonding company or the 10% program or otherwise. Do you have any questions, Mr. Boyd? Looks like Mr. Boyd may have a question. So if you may unmute him, please, Jail. Go ahead, Mr. Boyd.
Go ahead, Mr. Boyd.
Are you doing good?
I'm doing fine. I can hear you fine. Go
Fine,
ahead.
I can hear you fine. Go ahead.
All right, so for as making a phone call, I really haven't yet received no pin to actually do that.
All right, now that you've had
All right, now that you've had your
the jail is going to make sure you have an opportunity to contact someone to address your bond.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions,
Do you
sir?
have any other questions, sir?
Oh no, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you can meet me again.
Yeah, you can meet again.
Next, I have Mr. Edward Heath. Please stand up, sir. Mr. Heath, I have here that you are charged with speeding, going 54 in a 40. I have reviewed your driving record. Does not appear that you have any previous failure to appears. You do have a previous driving history, but based on your driving history, I'm going to give you a $1,000 straight bond. You can do that through a bonding company and pay a percentage to get out. Do you have any questions, sir? I don't have another court date for you either, Mr. Heath or Mr. Boyd. You will receive a court date via mail at the address on your driver's license or the information you provided to the jail. So you want to make sure they have the most updated address. And if you have not received a court date within a couple of weeks, and this applies for everyone, Mr. Heath, you may be seated. If you do not receive your court date, you can always call up to the DeKalb County State Court and contact them. You give them your case number, which will be on your court notice, and your name, and they'll be able to provide you with your court date. If there are no other questions, court will be in recess. It looks like someone had. Yeah, you may. I'll answer his question. We can start the recording.
Is there an option for me to get a bond from the bonding company?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Virgil Lewis.
So I am requesting a cash bond. Bonding company may still be able to assist you, but it's going to be the full $3,000 to assist you.
Oh, regardless.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I just do what you said, then the cash.
All right. Any other questions?
All right, any other questions, sir?
As far as my lawyer, because I have a lawyer, do I need to get in contact with her?
Yes, you should contact your
Yes,
lawyer
you should contact your lawyer.
custody or upon being released, and he or she will be able to assist you with your next court date.
Okay.
All right. I see another hand. Hand up, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, Boyd.
All right, Mr. Boyd, how can I
All
help
right,
you?
Mr. Boyd, how can I help you?
So I missed my baby shower, and you said I got a straightforward bond. So do I have to pay that? I can pay that now to get out? Or?
You can pay $2,000 to get out. You can pay a percentage because yours is a straight bond.
Straight bond.
To a bonding company.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Any other questions?
No.
Any questions from anyone?
Any questions from anyone?
All right, go ahead.
All right, go ahead.
So cash bond means cash bond, $1,000 cash to get out.
And what is
No
your name,
bond,
sir?
What is your name, sir?
Fox.
Yes, Mr. Fox, yours is.
Yes, Mr. Fox, yours is.
You don't have to pay the full $1,000. A bonding company may be able to help you as well, but they will have to pay the full amount to release you.
That's cool. I just wanted to get that clear.
All right.
Thank you.
Everyone's bonds will be. Which I'll be sending over in just a moment. If there are no further questions.
If there are no further questions.
Taylor's going in and out. We can't really hear. It was going in and out. We couldn't hear you.
All of this information will be on your worksheet, which they'll provide to you shortly. Thank you all. Have a good day.